expanding brackets. Remember the skill with expanding brackets. We are looking, first of all, in a question like this, at all the different terms. There's a brackets in the centre term. We have to deal with that first. Who can remember how we do that, Reuben? Yes, you multiply what is outside the brackets by everything inside the brackets. So my question to you is, what is outside the bracket at the moment? Not just 4x. What else is there? So, we've got a question. Is it 6x minus 4x that's outside the bracket? Or is it 4x? Or is it something else that I was looking for? Minus 4x. Right. This is the correct answer. You only look at the term directly outside the bracket, and you include the sign that's in front of it, because that is very important. Alright? So this is the correct term now. So what we're going to do, as it's already been said, we're going to multiply that, minus 4x, by everything inside the bracket. There are two things inside the bracket. The first one is x. My question to you is, what is minus 4x multiplied by x?
Minus 4x squared.
Good lads, minus 4x squared. Thank you. That is the first term that I've multiplied by. Now, this is an error, a classic error. Pupils forget there are two terms inside the bracket. I must also multiply the negative 4x by the 2. What is minus 4x multiplied by 2?
Negative 8x.
Negative 8x. Excellent, well done. Have I expanded the bracket? Yes, I have, because I've taken what's outside it and multiplied it by everything on the inside. So what about these terms here, this 6x and this plus 3x? What am I going to do with these? They just stay there, yes. They have nothing to do with the expansion at present. So they stay where they are. Is that my answer? No, because I've been asked to simplify as well. I'm going to gather. Excellent, David. Gather like terms. So, let's do it. Let's pick a shape for the x. What shape should we go for? Square. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Same team? Triangle. Right, it's got to be a different shape. Good. Because it's x squared, which is different to x, I cannot collect them together. Square. Notice how I'm including the sign that's in front. That is important. Don't forget that. And what about this? Square. Okay, so now I've got a visual aid. I can see clearly I've got three squares that go together and a triangle that just stays on its own. So let's go. 6 minus 8 minus 2x plus 3 1x. So that is just x. You can put 1x if you want, but it's just positive x. Good. The triangle, the minus 4x squared, is untouched because there is no other triangle to merge it with. So that is my answer there. Are we happy with that?
Yes.
Good. That minus 4x has now been expanded with its bracket, so it's included in these two terms. No, you won't have an extra 4 there as well. Good question, Toby. Yeah.